Okay, hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you my entire vacuum cleaner collection so far. I've been meaning to make this video for a while now, but I haven't had time and quite frankly couldn't be bothered. But for some reason today I had this burst of energy to make this video, so I thought, yeah, I'll do it. So anyway, they're in date order, which is why they look a bit all over the place, but I'll arrange them a bit nicer for a picture. But anyway, I've got 15 altogether, with the exception of the SIBO, because that's my mum's. I've actually got 14, but I'll put that in this video anyway. Okay, so starting over here at the back on the left, I've got the Hoover Junior U1012 from 1976. Got the Hoover Turbo Power U2194 from 1985. The Kirby Legend 2 from 1991. Hoover Turbo Power Total System U2602 from 1991. Hoover Turbo Power 2 U2464 from 1993. And then back over here, what is it? I couldn't think of it then. Dyson DCO on Distill from 1997. This is the bad one that I'm using for parts. Another Dyson DCO on Distill from 1997, but this is the good one. Dyson DCO for Silver and Lime from 2004. Panasonic MCE 465 from 2004. Pneumatic Henry HVR 222 from 2006. Back over here again. SIBO X4 Extra from 2007. Pneumatic Henry HVR 222 from 2008. Hoover Junior 1346, the refurbished one. That's from about 2009. Hoover Pure Power, or Candy Pure Power I like to call it, PU2120, that's from 2010. And finally, the pneumatic George GVE372 from 2010 also. So yeah, that's them all together. They all, well, I say they all work. The only one that doesn't work at the moment is the Turbo Power Total System, because it needs a new motor. Somehow it's got a bent armature. I don't know how that happened, but it is, and it's painfully loud. It's extremely loud. But anyway, yeah, they all work, and they're all in quite good condition, apart from that one obviously. But yeah, that's my vacuum cleaner collection so far, and thanks for watching.